A lecture upon the shadow. About the author, Donne was representative of the metaphysical poets of his time. He set the metaphysical mode by vibrancy of language and startling imagery, and a preference for a diction modeled on direct utterances. He was brought up as a Roman Catholic, and was dean of St. Paul's Church till his death. The total effect of a metaphysical poem at its best is to startle the reader into seeing and knowing what he has not really noticed or thought about before. Like all Donne's poetry, this poem too reflects an emphasis on the intellect and wit as against feeling and emotion. A lecture upon the shadow. Stand still and I will read to thee. A lecture, love, in love's philosophy. These 3 hours that we have spent walking here, 2 shadows went along with us, which we ourselves product. But, now the sun is just above our head, we do those shadows tread, and to brave clearness all things are reduct. So whilst our infant loves did grow, disguises did, and shadows, flow, from us, and our cares, but now 'tis not so, that love hath not attained the highest degree, which is still diligent lest others see, except our loves at this no one stay, we shall new shadows make the other way, as the first were made to blind, others, these which come behind, will work upon ourselves, and blind our eyes. If our loves faint, and westwardly decline, to me thou, falsely thine, and I to thee mine actions shall disguise. The morning shadows were away, but these grow longer all the day. But oh, love's day is short, if love decay. Love is a growing, or full constant light, and his first minute, after no one, is night.